It's springtime. You're riding with your group or your buddy. You're going through a corner and your friend goes down. Are you prepared to help another rider in the time of need? After a crash, there's usually a 5 to 30-minute window before that EMS arrives, that ambulance. Do you know how to help? If you take this course, a crash course for the motorcyclist provided by Accident Scene Management, you will absolutely be able to answer yes to that question. Let me show you a couple things. If you go to roadguardians.org, to their website, you can see they have courses, information, maps, stuff about motorcycle safety, their store, it's all here. If I click on classes, go to class schedule, and I want to learn more, you get to these area, there's 5 courses listed. Let me make this a little bigger. This 100 series, I've taken it 2 years in a row. It is an absolute excellent course. It's the most popular. And again, it's what do you do in that first 5 to 30 minutes? This 300 course, which is a follow-up, the advanced course to that 100 series course, it's helping you become that leader at the scene to help EMS, help your buddy, and be successful that way. If you scroll up and click on this map icon, you can see on their website all the locations nationwide where this course is available. I live in Wisconsin here. There's many here in April and May that are still available that you can take this year, be prepared for that riding season. I want to show you something about conspicuity. They show this in class during the presentation, so I'm going to kill the lights a little bit. So if we're at the scene of an incident and you're on the side of the road and you're wearing your normal dark garb, what do you see, right? If you're trying to direct traffic, they even have something, Vicky Sanfilippo helped design these, or designed them. But these are basically traffic direction type gloves. But even something like this, right? If I don't show them here in a room that's sort of backlit, but you can see just by having these on, right? How they pop and stand out. Usually we're wearing black gloves on a black background don't show up too well. Another thing we talk about is that conspicuity. Just changing my mic, sorry for the noise. I always ride in a high-vis setup, having a vest or wear my high-vis garb, but you can tell the difference between a black jacket and having the appropriate gear on here, right? So just one of the lessons they teach you and you learn in this class. Again, Accident Scene Management, a crash course for the motorcyclists. Check it out today.